Hi, I'm Sabriye, managing partner of Enso. Earlier this week, Sitefinity released version 15.4, and there is a little gotcha hidden in the release notes when you upgrade. With this release, all Sitefinity NuGet packages are migrated from the custom Sitefinity NuGet repository to the official nuget.org feed. This means that when you're in Visual Studio and try and update, for example, the .NET Core render, it will throw the error that it cannot find or update the package. This is because with previous versions, a package source mapping has been created that tells Visual Studio that any Progress packages should only come from the now deprecated Sitefinity NuGet server. So all we need to do is update the mapping to the new source. We can do that in Visual Studio, but it is quicker and easier to just open your NuGet config file. We find the line that contains the pattern Progress.Sitefinity and move it into the package source with the key nuget.org. Now that the line has been moved, save your file and return to Visual Studio. We can now select all the Sitefinity related packages that we want to upgrade. By selecting them all together, NuGet will resolve all the dependencies and versions properly without any conflicts. And that's it. Happy upgrading!